Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on Superfly. I recently got my second Superfly from Smith's Toys Superstore. Here you go, here is my first one and here is my second one. So that means that I'll be doing an unboxing and review. I'll be opening up this one over this one because the packaging is different, which I will get into in a little bit because there is maybe some confusion about packaging. But yeah. Without further ado, let's start off this review of Superfly. Superfly has been released twice. His first version was with with rubber ties, my apologies. Yeah, and we will be doing a Thailand Vs China comparison, which was originally started by Piston Productions. So yeah, let's start off the review of Superfly first, and then we'll do the comparison a little bit later on. Here is Superfly's diecast, and there's the name tag Superfly, made by Mattel. 3+. There is his artwork, very nice. Superfly in the Thunder Hollow series in the Blue Desert, 2020. That is the front of the card. Here is the back of the card. We've got the nice RSN logo there, made in Thailand too. We've got some other cars here, and of course the description bio reads, "It's Crazy 8 Night at Thunder Hollow Speedway," which is pretty boring. Not for 3-year-olds for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah. So, there are two variants of, not variants, but there is two variants, China and Thailand, but there's two packaging variants, which, like I just showed you, we got this one, which has different cars on the back, Muddy Rusty's Racing like McQueen, APB, Liability, and Jambalaya Jim Jenga. We're taking a look at two of those in the back there. Here's the one that is made for Europe, which just has Superfly in a bunch of different languages. So that is a bit of a weird one. So yeah, today we'll be taking a review and unboxing. So let's start. What video would you like me to review next? I've got some spare time. There is Superfly. We'll put the rubbish to the side. So here is Superfly. This is the Thailand variant. Very nice. Here's the front. We've got here's damaged bumper. Nice expression. With the mouth there. There's his engine. Reminds me a little bit of Snotwad, which I didn't bring out, which I should have done, because I believe it's the only car that shows its engine as well as Snotwad. Very nice. Reminds me of a drag car too, like those, like the drag races a little bit. So yeah, maybe I should have brought those out too, but they're not massively different. Thailand eyes, which was first revealed quite a while ago, because we all didn't like the eyes, but they're fine. We've got 72 on the roof here. And of course we've got this little like cage thingy over the top in this green colour. Very nice. There's the back with the window. The spoiler, which actually was really cool because it reads his name, Superfly. It looks like it's made out of wood, which is actually kind of cool, of a cool spoiler. Very nice. Going on to the side now, we got the nice rims here, which are a little bit different to the diecast, the one that was released with rubber tyres. Yep, got 72 on the side here in this yellow and green colour. Very nice. Those words there, because you can read it yourself, it says the original Superfly. Of course, I'm flying. I'm not flying. That's what he says in the movie. I believe that is Superfly that says it. That's why he's been given the name Superfly. Very nice. And of course we've got 72 on the side there. Here is the back. It reads "Get Wrecked" with an exclamation point. Very nice. There's the spoiler again. Yep. That does review the car, but here is the base if you're interested. Made in Thailand, week 13. So this one was made in, let me check, week 7. Not sure if you can see it. Week 7. So they've been made in two completely different weeks. But again, very cool. Now we'll be comparing him to the rubber tyre release, which is dramatically different, so you should definitely pick him up. There's the front. The eyes have gone from green to blue. As you can see, the eye colour is different. Not sure which one's accurate. The engine is also a bit more black than rusty. So, yep. There's that. The sides. Like I said, the rims are a bit different because there's more green on the rim than this one. Here's the back. The spoiler is also a different colour, but you can't see it on camera. It's that slight different colour. Yep. So that is the review of Superfly. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. Of course, this is the rubber tyre version with the rims. My one is definitely the plastic version because I like the plastic tyres way much better than rubber. Yeah, let's go over Superfly's package release. We've got this one here, which I've just unboxed, and then we got the rubber tyre one here too. Very nice. It also comes with some tyres from Demolition Derby. Very nice. Superfly in quotes, so that's not actually his name, which again is a bit confusing because here it says Superfly, but here it says Superfly in quotes. So is his name Superfly or is it not? Don't actually know that. On the back we have 4 other brand new releases, rubber tyres, which have now all been released with plastic tyres too. Liability, Airborne, Jambalaya Chimichanga and Bill, which is very nice to see them. And I did bring them all out here in the package. Superfly wasn't the last one to get released with plastic tyres. It was actually, in fact, Airborne. We got them all here. We've got Bill, and we've also got Liability. Liability was the first one to get released. Then I believe it was Jambalaya Chimichanga over there. Then it was Bill. Then it was Superfly, and then it was Airborne in that particular order too. So let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. I will quickly bring them all out here to show with their Thailand counterparts, not the China versions. So here is Airborne, the most recent release, which I did do a review on. Go check it out on my channel. Here is Jambalaya Chimichanga, one of my favourite names in cars. It literally is Jambalaya Chimichanga. All these different coloured spots on her, and I believe it is a her too. Thailand eyes, very nice. We also got Liability, which is not my favourite, but I like the number because it does remind me of Valtteri Bottas a little bit, with 77. And my second favourite from the whole lot is Bill. I will put them in order in a second because the order, I believe, has changed. This is my second favourite, Bill, or my favourite. I think he is my favourite because the only reason is he's got the Pixar ball, so he is my favourite, even though this is the Thailand variant. And he also has a different expression, I believe, too. Pixar wheels, 86 reminds me of Chick Hicks as well. So yeah, in order, I am going to put them now. I accidentally brought the China one out. I just checked and I was like, oh, this is the China one. But oh well. In order it goes, Bill is my favourite, Jambalaya is my second favourite, then we got Superfly, my third favourite, fourth favourite is Airborne, and Liability is my fifth favourite. Let me know in the comments below which order you would put these guys. Of course, it might change in the future if they get released again, maybe in China. So yeah. I still have to do a review on Thailand Clog Scrugs, not an unboxing because I don't have a second one, and Thailand Sage, not Rex Reveler, which you guys know what it is. And I also got to do a review on HJ Hollis as well for Coal Clutching 15. So yeah, this does bring the video to an end. It's coming up to 9 minutes now, or just gone past 9 minutes. I'm expecting also in the mail a John Halstead from Jim Scavenger, which will be pretty interesting when it arrives. So yeah, I want to try and make this 10 minutes long, but don't exactly know how I can. I mean, I can show you the cars again quickly if you want to see them. Here they are. Superfly. There's the back. But yeah, that does end the review of Superfly. We'll bring the packaging back to make the video a little bit longer. So there is Superfly and his packaging. So yeah, if you are new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. Until the next one, bye guys.